Hello friends, our today's activity is house scenery. So let's begin. On your drawing sheet, in the center, we are going to draw a big letter M. So this is a letter M. Our next step is we are going to erase this line. Now from this point to this point we are going to draw a straight line. Similarly, from this point to this point we will draw a straight line. So now our letter M has taken shape of a roof of a house. Next, we'll draw vertical lines or standing lines to draw the wall of the house. See, 3 vertical lines, then a sleeping line across, a small line to close this roof, a door, a rectangular shaped door, circle, again a rectangle for the window, our house is ready. Isn't it easy? We started with the letter M. Then we have erased this line. We drew 2 horizontal lines or sleeping lines. Then 3 standing lines. A horizontal line across to close the structure. A rectangular shaped door and windows. A circle. And a house is ready. You can draw a scenery in the background. You can draw some bushes. Trees. Another tree. Clouds. A sun that is peeking out of the cloud. Some birds. Some grass here and there, and our house scenery is now ready. You can color this picture with crayons of your choice.